Hello, what's up guys? Your guy Promzy once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are talking about credit cards. Best credit cards for international students living in Germany. If you're ready for this video, stay tuned. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Promzy. I'm a Ghanaian based in Germany pursuing my masters, and on my channel I give tips and help international students who want to come to Germany and continue their education. So if you like content like this, then you should definitely subscribe and join the community. So in this video, like I said earlier on, we are talking about credit cards. What are the best credit card options for international students living in Germany? So before we go on, I want you to know that some people have the opinion that credit card is not good because once you have a credit card, if you're not disciplined enough, you might run into a spiral debt, and if you're not lucky, you wouldn't be able to come out from this debt. Others are with the opinion that once you have a credit card and you are disciplined enough, you'll be able to build a good credit score, and if you need money, some huge amount of money, a credit company can be able to loan you some huge amount of loan. Because I know from where we are coming from, as in Africa, credit card system is not part of our financial structure. So do well to educate yourself before you sign a contract. But if you decide to get yourself a credit card, I think number one that is on the list is the Advancia golden gebührenfrei card. So it's like every student I know or everyone I know in Germany that has a credit card is using this credit card because it doesn't come with any charges. That's one of the main reasons a lot of people go in for this particular credit card. So some of the benefits or some of the reasons why people go in for this card is you don't pay any charges for the gebührenfrei card, and you don't pay any charges when you make withdrawal from the ATM. With most credit card, when you make a direct withdrawal from the ATM, you pay some amount of charges depending on the amount of money you take. But with the gebührenfrei, it's free. You don't pay any charges when you use it at the ATM. And most importantly, when you use it outside the country, you don't pay anything. As in, I was in Ghana a week ago. So I was in Ghana a couple of months ago, and that was the only card I took with me. When I went to Ghana, I was able to use it in our local banks, and I didn't have any problem. I didn't get any extra charges. So this is the main reason why people go in for the gebührenfrei card. I think it's the best in Germany so far. I've not come across anyone that has a better option or a better contract compared to the gebührenfrei. So one thing you have to know about the gebührenfrei is if you make a purchase, you have up to 7 weeks to make the full payment. As in, if you make a purchase with a card and you don't have money on you, like you are short, you have up to 7 weeks to pay the whole amount of money in full. Other than that, of course, that's when you don't pay the amount and they will ask you to pay at least the minimum. That's, I think, 30 euros per month, and that one accumulates some amount of interest. So if you don't want to be paying interest, make sure if you make purchase with a card, within 7 weeks, you return the whole amount of money you've paid. So I'll be putting the link to Advancia in the description box below. If you use the link and you use my code, you get 25 euros for free, and I also get 25 euros for free. So the second card I have for you is the Klarna card. I think I've been using the Klarna card for about 8 months, and the amount of credit they've given me is like mind-blowing. So for me, I think that's the main reason why people going in for the Klarna card. You can easily get huge amount of credit within a very short period of time. But the main setback when it comes to a Klarna credit card is it doesn't have the chip on it. You can use it to buy things online. You can connect it to your Apple Pay, but you can't use it at the ATM. So unlike the gebührenfrei that you have like 7 weeks to pay back the money, with Klarna it's only 2 weeks. That's like 14 days. So within 14 days, you pay the money back, or it will become a loan. It will become a credit that you have to pay interest on it. And if you are not lucky, then you'll be paying interest for a very long time. So one key thing is if you make payment with a credit card, within the period that they've given you to pay the money back, make sure you pay the money back. Other than that, it will roll over and you start paying huge amount of interest. I hope you're enjoying the video you are watching, and if you like the content, you can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. mess up. Let's get back to it. The third and the last option I have is credit card with your local banks. I have an account with Sparkasse and I was able to get a credit card from Sparkasse. One setback is I think the traditional banking system in Germany is not that advanced as compared to the online banking system. I've already done a separate video about that. If you want to watch best banking system for international students, I'm going to put the link up here and in the description below. So for the traditional banking system, especially for students, we don't have the luxury of getting huge amount of credit. You get like 700 euros, 500 euros, unlike the Gebel Fry and the Klarna that students are able to get like 5,000, 4,000, 6,000, huge amount of credit. With the traditional banking system, they have to check a lot of stuff and most of their requirements, students don't qualify. So you end up getting only small amount of money. But if you're new to the credit card system and if you think you're not disciplined enough and you don't want to be paying huge amount of debt, I think you should start with the traditional banking system. They will give you credit that they think you will be able to pay back. So like 500, 400 on your credit card. And with that, you have a period of 4 months to make your payment. And it will be deducted from your konto or your account directly. So that's one thing I like about the traditional banking system. You don't have to transfer the money to their credit card agent. At the end of the month, they deduct their money from your account. So if you're new to the credit card system and you think you wouldn't be disciplined enough to be paying back your credit in time, then I think you should start with the traditional banking system. Their credit card, they don't give huge amount of credit and you'll be able to manage yourself in the start. But if you think you can be able to manage huge amount of money without spending unnecessarily, then I think you should go in for the Gebel Fry. Trust me, I believe that's the best credit card in Germany, especially for students when it comes to getting money for block account and other stuff. I'm going to put the link in the description below how you can get this credit card. If you use my link, you will get 25 euros. I will get 25 euros for free. So I think apart from the traditional banking system, you have to go into the bank and sign some papers before you get a credit card. With Advanzia and Klarna, you can do everything online. So I'll put the link in the description box below. So if you are still watching to this point, I want to say thank you very much. You've come to the end of this video. I hope you find this video very educative and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and put a nice comment in the comment section below. Like always, the name is Promzy, and I'm signing out. Peace.